Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX. Is SHX the financial institution? It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of SHX at the time of the recording. So, guys, the price of SHX is $0.009492. It has basically come down from its 1 cent mark. It has dipped significantly, but it has rebounded from this price range 0.008484. We're going to be looking at some price analysis as well in on X by some proponents, some technical analysts. But before we get to that, let us check out the 7 day chart. So, yeah, if you look at the 7 day chart, this was a crucial support over here, which basically broke. Now, let's see if this is a false breakout or if the price dips further. Let's see. If you look at the monthly chart, guys, okay, so we've got a really good support area over here. So let's see if price sustains 0.009331, 0.0095, 8401. This is really a crucial support area over here, in my opinion. But if the price dips further, let's see, because the fundamentals are strong, but anything can happen in crypto. If it does, it's going to be coming down and testing the 0.007227 range. If it goes up, then there is crucial resistance and extremely high resistance level here in at 0.012, basically this range, this area. So let's see. Basically, the price is consolidating, so anything can happen. But if you look at the yearly chart, guys, this is a thing of beauty. Up 941.74% for the year. Check this out, guys. Up from 0.004359 levels, guys. 0.00 all the way to a cent. This has been awesome. An awesome price movement for sure. Check this out. If you look at the all-time chart, guys, these are some crucial resistance areas over here. Resistance turned support, so I think price might consolidate in this region, and it might even go further beyond. But anything can happen. Not a financial advisor, anyways. So yeah, do your own due diligence. Check this out. SHX new stable coin, just like XRP XLM. I mean, a lot of people have sarcastic comments here and there. Limau, Ripple loves scamming all you noobs, even with new companies. I mean, people are onto Ripple. They're basically bashing Ripple a lot. I made a video on that as well. You guys can check that out as well if you're interested. SHX, XLM Moons, XRP. Okay, so yeah. Yeah. By the way, SHX is mostly associated with XLM, not XRP, by the way. I'm bullish on SHX because of the well thought out tokenomics by a company that is working with Okay, so by a company that is working with many well-established big players in the fintech sphere, don't just look at circulating supply and make conclusions on only that without reading the white paper. By the way, guys, when I told you guys that SHX is a financial institution, it is not this comment over here that it is a company of XLM or SHX or XRP. It certainly is not. It is agnostic. It is chain agnostic. In at the end of the day, it is paving its own path. I really found this great piece of writing over here. So shout out to Mr. Pauly over here. Let me show you something. Check this out, guys. Although Stronghold launched on the Stellar network, which was created specifically to handle financial transactions, this is why I said that it is much more associated with Stellar than Ripple. But still, guys, it is paving its own path. How? Let me show you. Which was created specifically to handle financial transactions. Camp reiterated that the company is both platform and asset agnostic, so it does not rely on Stellar or any platform, guys. And it is asset agnostic, it does not require any asset to maneuver or function. What makes this a little interesting is that we're not saying that we're an exchange. We're saying we're a financial institution, guys. Keyword over here. They're claiming to be a financial institutions. We've a lot of times we've claimed it to be a bank. We've claimed it to be a platform. But this is a big statement that basically says SHX is a financial institution. She said, "We're starting out with Stellar. So basically, this is the foundation of SHX, but I don't think that we're tied to any one protocol. In the future, there will be many protocols and many ones that can scale. Looking forward, Camp said, Stronghold is on track to create a more inclusive blockchain ecosystem where different forms of value are held and exchanged. Imagine a day where the New York Stock Exchange and the Australian Stock Exchange and the Nigerian Stock Exchange are all connected on one platform," she said. So these are huge entities in and of itself, guys, huge names. Basically, if SHX goes on, Stronghold goes on to connect them all or to make use, basically provide them services or basically is associated with them somewhere down the line, it can be massive. Imagine a day with, check this out, the names, guys: New York Stock Exchange, Australian Stock Exchange, Nigerian Stock Exchange. I've told you guys time and again that Nigeria is one of the front runners in Africa, along with South Africa, in digital asset friendliness, in digital asset crypto adoption. So this is cool, guys. And your Starbucks points and your airline points are on a platform too. So even your brands, your multinational corporations, your cafes, restaurants, airlines are also points. Points are airline points are on a platform too. So you can just exchange this value. We're going to see more and more liquidity come to the world in places that are underserved. Sorry. So basically, providing services to the global south as well as the global north. So basically, what SHX is doing is that it is connecting the global south with the global north. If you're not well acquainted with those terms, guys, basically global south are the underdeveloped countries and global north are the developed countries. So yeah, I might make a video on that as well. That how SHX might connect and bridge this gap by its platform and by being the bridge and by inclusivity, by becoming the by providing financial inclusion, and how that can impact the globe as a whole. And I think that we're going to be the front runner. So huge statement, guys. I really like that. Check out the comments over here. Does SHX have a DEX built into it? I haven't heard anything yet on that, but it would make sense if it did, especially with ties to Ripple and Stellar. I've heard of this in the past, but I'm not enough to clarify. No, I do not think that they've got a DEX at the moment, but they've got a platform which provides which has that payment structure. It provides liquidity and all of that stuff, but not specifically a DEX. Yeah, check this out. As in Stronghold Net, not seen anything to suggest this apart from the suggestion of future liquidity pools, including other coins. Stronghold as a which was an exchange built with IBM in 2018, but it is for institutional use only and has been since April 2019. What I will say is that now with smart contracts on Stellar, the interoperability of Stellar and other chains has just come alive. Now, Stellar-based DEXs can easily swap any token into the ecosystem. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Basically, the smart contracts on the Stellar are what would be providing that. Like we mentioned the other day, Aquarius being that DeFi hub of Stellar, and all of that stuff. Now, Stellar-based DEXs can easily swap any token into the ecosystem and back again. It wouldn't be out of the realms of possibility that Stronghold Net will have this added capability or feature on top of the already multi-capability of XRP, XLM, FEDNOW, USH, and USACH, and ISO 20022. Shout out Crypto Banker. So this is great. And like I told you guys, basically relying on smart contracts, Stellar smart contract. But still, check this out. They do the Stronghold virtual ledger. Participants of Stronghold Net benefit from a set of blockchain-enabled capabilities. Point of sale, e-commerce, technology, software as a service providers, institutional partners, merchants and consumers. Stronghold SHX token, ISO 20022 compliant, compatible. USACH, XRP Ledger, Stellar. This is awesome, guys. Partner and enterprise platform APIs, payments and merchant financing, multi-ledger blockchain compatibility and transaction processing. So this is cool, guys. Now I told you guys that we would finally check out some technicals as well. So yeah, this was a post. Cause for concern with Elliott wave. SHX wave C usually takes out wave 4. Price there is 0.0033 cents, approximately 65% drop. So who knows, guys? Anything can happen in crypto, but there are some crucial support areas over here as well. But according to this analyst, price can drop to 0.003, but we do not know. SHX already backtested previous support, now resistance. If you think I'm a hater, you're a fool. I don't print the charts, I just post what I'm seeing as it unfolds. LOL, it's already back in our bull flag chart on the daily. You definitely made a rash decision and it cost you. Yellow line hitting resistance, last to get out, in my opinion. So there are people who are saying that it is a bullish flag. The others, this guy Block Bull is saying it is basically primed to go down. So let's see who's right and who's wrong. What do you guys think? Is it bullish, or is it the last chance to get in, or is it the last chance to get out? What do you guys think? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Not a chance in hell, respectfully. Wrong chart, friend. Look at the daily. Show the whole picture with Elliott wave in view. LOL, this is a bull flag and we just reclaimed our 0.95 level to remain bullish. Watch what happens by Saturday. I will come back to this post. You are clearly incorrect. Look how fast it got bought up from your tweet this this moment. Okay, so AM. Admit when you're wrong or you will never learn. I'm happy to be proven incorrect. Like I say, I cannot unsee the Elliott wave ABC. If I miss out, there's plenty of other coins. No biggie. In a bull market, bull flags 90% of the time play out to the up. How can you not unsee that? There's been plenty of pennants that broke down in the structure, hence why I'm not in it. In SHX, not a chance in hell, respectfully. Okay, Elliott wave is just a theory for a reason. It does seem bearish at the moment, but I don't see it dipping below 0.006 to 0.007. We'll see. Could be caught on previous highs around 5. Already seems to be just a simple shakeout, and I actually was hoping for lower. I'd be buying that. If that will happen, I will buy a few million SHX more. Hope so. Hey, bro, what are your thoughts on this? So let's see if Banker has replied. No, he's much more into fundamentals, I think. Elliott wave is basically a technical pattern. This is wave 1, wave 2. Then the biggest wave in the Elliott wave is the wave 3, and then wave 4. And the 3 and 5 waves are biggest. Some claim that the third wave is biggest. A lot of times, and in this case, check this out, the fifth wave, and then there is a basically the ABC, the ABC 1, 2, 3, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, and all of that stuff. So this is basically a theory. So Block Bull has basically given his own justification. So yeah, and everyone has the right to do so, even those that are bullish and bearish. So this is not any sort of FUD, but obviously an opinion. What do you guys think? Is it bullish or bearish? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. So, like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.